ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे।
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. First of all, I would like to thank my respected teachers and my dear friends who gave me a golden chance to speak in front of you. I am Kanchan. I am here to speak about importance of knowledge. Before starting my topic, I would like to say some beautiful lines in Hindi. काम करो ऐसा कि एक पहचान बन जाए, काम करो ऐसा कि एक पहचान बन जाए, हर कदम चलो ऐसा कि निशान बन जाए। यहाँ तो जिंदगी हर कोई काट लेता है, यहाँ तो जिंदगी हर कोई काट लेता है, पर जिंदगी जियो इस कदर कि मिसाल बन जाए। Now I am going to start my topic. The most powerful thing in the world is knowledge. Knowledge is power, which means an educated person is very powerful because by his knowledge he can solve all kinds of problems. And if you have knowledge, then you can achieve every goal in your life. Like the success of any person completely depends on his knowledge. In our society, due to an educated person is given different status. That means knowledge decides your position in the society. It is very difficult to crack any exam without knowledge. This is the only thing which helps us in every problem of our life and no anyone can snatch and steal this from us. It enables us to knowledge difference between wrong or right and good or bad. Knowledge gives us fame, success, courage and confidence. That's why knowledge is very, very important in your life and my life and our life. Knowledge when used in right direction helps to open all the doors of success, and no doubt we can say that knowledge is pillar to the success and happiness. We want to say some lines in English. You will get the destination through the words it speak on them, but some people remain silent, their skills speak on them. Before finishing my topic, I would like to say some beautiful lines in Hindi. दुनिया में हर चीज़ पाना आसान नहीं होता, दुनिया में हर चीज़ पाना आसान नहीं होता, बिना संघर्ष का कोई महान नहीं होता। वाकिफ कहाँ ये जमाना हमारी उड़ान से, वो और थे जो हार गए आसमान से। Now I want to
ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे।